Welcome back to MrYouWho, and boy do we have a treat for you today. So today we're going to be reviewing the JBL 300 Live TWS earbuds, and we're really excited to be bringing them to you today. Now why we love them so much is we've heard a lot about the great quality sound that these come with, backed up by the JBL sound. Now we've done a lot of reviews from JBL previously, and we do love their earbuds. So I'm super excited to be reviewing these today. Now as always, we'll be doing an unboxing and a review, opening them up, having a look at what comes with them. We'll then be doing a bit of a, putting them into our ears to see how they feel. We'll do a sound check. We'll use them out in the field, running, cycling, so you can actually see what they're like using them. Now guys, you won't be disappointed. They come with a heap of functions. They're waterproof. You can use assistants like Google, Siri. They're fast charging, 6 hours battery life just in the earbuds. Great design. I mean, you guys are going to love it. So anyway, I don't want to do any longer. Let's jump in and have a look at these, and make sure you also look at our other JBL reviews that we've got. For example, the Under Armour Project Rock ones, the 220. They're all great earbuds, and it depends on what you guys want to use. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks again for joining us here at MrYouWho. Here we are taking a look at the JBL Live 300 TWS earbuds. Really excited to be unboxing these today. So let's have a bit more at the box. So as you can see, it comes with the ambient aware and talk through technology, voice system, which we'll talk about shortly. 20 hours battery life across the earbuds, as well as 6 in the ears and 14 hours in the case, which is great. So if we take a look and have a look at what comes with the box. So there's the earbuds there, which we'll take a look at shortly. And a bit more about what we spoke about. The sweat and the water resistant, I think, is really important as well. So let's go and open up and have a look at what comes in the actual case itself. So we'll open it up. So there's the case to start with. Now I love the pebble look, similar to what I had with the JBL 220 TWS when we did the review. Nice and light, sleek design. Looks really good, and it comes with a USB charger there. As you open it up, that's where the earbuds sit, which we'll show you guys shortly how that kind of works. So we'll put that down there just for now. Now here's all about how to use the Google Assistant, Siri Assistants, which we'll go to shortly. This is also the instruction booklets too. So if we open it up, it comes with all the normal stuff you get with the JBL earbuds, quick start guides, product features, warranty as well. So it's all in there, which you guys can read in due course. If we have a look, it also comes with extra earbuds. Now these, when you use the earbuds in your ears, you can actually change the size. The ones that come with it, there's a USB cord, and there's the there's the pieces that fit in your ears, so it can make it so it fits better in your ears. So put that to the side as well. Now last but not least, here's the earbuds. Now there they are. Now, so the thing I love about these earbuds straight away is the design. So I'll just move all this out of the way so I can show you. So as you can see, they've got a really nice design. I love the black look. They're really light as well, which is great because you don't really feel them when they sit in your ears, and they seal in perfectly as well, so you can't hear any outside noise. Now these are sweat and water resistant as well, which means you can use them if you're running out in the rain. You can potentially also submerge them in water, although I haven't tested that myself to see how effective that is. Now these hold 6 hours battery life, which I think is fantastic for the size of them. That's really good. So let's put these back here for now, and let's have a look. Now also with these as well is you can also use Google or Siri Assistant just by pressing the button. You can also answer calls, change tracks by pressing the buttons as well, and also use talk through technology or ambient aware, which I'm going to demonstrate to you shortly in the video. Let's take a look at the case. So we open it up, and the earbuds just pop right in there like that. Nice and easy. So it's easy for them to charge. Now, as you can see, they're a good looking set of earbuds. They work really well. And I'm really happy with them. So let's just kind of take a look at what we've got in the packet. So we've got the earbuds, the case, the documents there, as well as the quick start guides as well. So let's go now and have a look at how these actually work in practice. Let's do that right now. Wow, so I really hope you liked that unboxing of the JBL 300 earbuds. They really are nice earbuds. So what I'm going to do now is going to have a look at how they look when you put them on. So here's the case now, so quite simple. Open up the lid, take the earbud out. Now, as you can see, you've got the wing there, which helps it sit in your ear. So you put it in your ear like so, and just clip it under your ear like that. Really, really easy. because I've already Bluetooth connected them as well, they're connecting automatically. It goes ba-da-lunk, so you can hear it. So we put the other one in again like this, and again they fit really snugly in the ear. Now I'm going to take this one back off too, just because it makes it a bit easier when I'm talking. But they're really comfortable. You can't hear any external noise really when you put them in. They don't have noise cancelling, but the seal makes it really hard to hear anything outside, which is great. Now, I did connect these to Google Assistant before. Now, Google Assistant, you press the left button and you ask Google, for example, Google play Spotify music, and it worked perfectly. It really is excellent. And you can use the right-hand side if you want to use Siri or Bixby. Again, it connects seamlessly. You can press a button and say, call John, for example, and it calls them, so it's excellent. You can also do the ambient aware by pressing the button or the talk through, which reduces the sound, so you can talk to other people, which is great as well. And on the right hand side, you can make calls, play and pause tracks, go to the next tracks as well. Using your JBL app as well gives you more quality in how to do this, but I love how you got all these functions in the earbuds, and you don't actually press the button either. It's kind of, you give it a like a light tap, and it happens. It's really, really good. So JBL, I love the functionality in these. They're excellent. And I'll be using them a lot more, especially when I'm running. I want to change a track, being able to go press the button and say, you know, Spotify, play Smashing Pumpkins. I don't know, use the term. It works really well. Anyway, on a point of running, let's head outside. Let's put these out in the field and show you how they work. So let's go and do that right now. The 300 absolute joy to use when I'm working out. They don't move in the ears when I'm doing my exercises. As you can see here, I'm moving around quite a lot and they're not moving. Because the earbuds seal in the ears really well as well, I can't hear the outside noise from the gym, which helps me concentrate fully on my workouts. The antibacterial as well as sweatproof design means that when I'm sweating, it's not dripping into my ears or anything, which is really good. And I mean, I love doing these for workouts. They're excellent earbuds for exercising, walking out and about. They're great. Now, I hope you like seeing how we use those for sport. As I said, running, going to the gym, cycling, the earbuds are really good. And it's because they fit so well and the sound quality is great as well. So really enjoyed it. So now what I want to do is have a look at the JBL app that we use for JBL 300 Live earbuds. So what you do is you download the app, JBL headphones, on Android or an Apple store. Now it comes to the screen there. So what you do is you then go and select JBL 300. Now on here you can activate the ambient aware, which reduces the sound, or the talk through, which allows you to talk over the volume. Or you can do different gestures as well. So do you want it to, how do you want the buttons when you press it to work on either side? Do you want to answer calls with it? It's really, really good. So there's also equalizer on here as well. So this is where you can actually vary how the sound is. So you make it higher pitch, lower pitch, depending on what you can do. They also have presets in here, for example, jazz 2, vocal, and bass. So if you want higher bass, you can select this. And I found this is quite good to customize the sound and the music as well. So really, really good. So if you go and have a look at settings as well, this is where you can actually activate your voice assistant, use it to find your buds as well, order off as well. So if you put them back into the case, they go off automatically. So a lot of good features here. And I think this kind of adds to the earbuds and makes a JBL Live 300 more than just earbuds you put in your ears. It makes it a customized music experience, which I think is really important. So anyway, we're going to go test out the sound now. I say it's really good. We're going to go play it for you guys now so you can see what it's like. Then afterwards, we're going to go and jump across and do our final review and final thoughts. So let's go do that right now. Wow, well I really did enjoy reviewing the JBL TWS 300 earbuds. And I guess the reason why is the first thing is the sound quality. Now I've reviewed a lot of earbuds in the past and the sound quality with these is quite exceptional as well. I was just listening to Guns N' Roses' November Rain earlier and I was really absorbed in the music and the different pitches, the sounds really came through, and I guess that's one of the great things about these earbuds, exceptional sound. And that's also backed up by the app, where you can go in there and you can actually customize the settings. So you can use equalizer, change the equalization of the sound. It works really well. Now this is also backed up by the fact they fit really snugly in the ears. So as you can see, it fits really well here and it doesn't move. And this means now, while they don't have noise cancelling on the earbuds, it does seal off the sound, so you can't hear much external noise. I used it while I was commuting and found it worked really well. The great thing as well is also the ambient aware part of it as well. So you press the button and it means the sounds are reduced. You double press it again and it means you can talk to people without hearing the music. And it's a lot more effective than having to take the earbuds off every time, which I've had to do in the past with other ones. So it's excellent. I love how you can just press the button to get your Google and Siri assistants. Press of a button. The call quality was okay, as good as you normally get for earbuds. But if you're going to be using them for calls all the time, I probably want to use these. That being said, though, fantastic earbuds. I really like them. I could use them for exercise. They don't move in the ear when you're running, when you're exercising. You can shake your head. They don't move at all. So all in all, excellent earbuds. And JBL have done a great job. And again, all about the sound. I really enjoyed the sound with these. The battery lasts 6 hours, an earbud, 20 hours in the case, and it's got fast charging of 2 hours. And using Bluetooth 5.0 as well, it's got great connectivity and it connects very quickly to the device as well. And not to mention the style. I love these pebble cases. I mean, they look really good. So JBL, great job. Really enjoyed reviewing these. And guys, make sure you check out the other reviews of other JBL earbuds. We've done the Project Rock ones, for example, the 220 Reflectflow. So check them out. Let us know what you think. Put in comments below what you think of these earbuds, whether you've used them. We'll have links to buy below as well if you want to purchase them too. And also, make sure you like the video and also subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate your support. Well, anyway, let's get out there and start using these earbuds. Thanks for joining us again at MrYouWho.